Howdy and welcome. Tombstone Morgan coming straight at you from the Sheriff's Office in Tombstone, Arizona. Today I'd like to talk about a new rifle. And that would be the Cimmaron Eldorado. Right here it is. Like the one used in the movie Eldorado with John Wayne. It's got a D-ring. It's got a saddle ring. And this is a very handy, slick rifle. Very lightweight. I've been known to rapid fire this quite frequently. The wood grain and metal to wood fit is just superb. Very nice rifle indeed. Very handy. As you can see, short, 16-inch barrel, very nice gun. So there you have it, folks. I had a request on one of my comment pages to see the rifle close up, and I will supply some photos along with this video. So thank you very much, folks, and remember, we'll see you on the streets of Tombstone. And don't forget, be armed. Okay, as you can see, we have the rifle on the wall, below or above my knife. Here is the right side of the rifle, and very nice wood to metal fit. And here we have the left side of the rifle with the saddle ring. Again, this was a gun that was used in the movie Eldorado starring John Wayne.